Hello dear students and friends. I welcome you to the online lecture for B.Sc. second year Applied Statistics. In yesterday class, we dealt with method of averages, procedure steps, merit, demerits and examples on method of moving averages. Today we are going to study entitled with measurement of seasonal fluctuations or variations. The measurement of seasonal variations is done by the isolating them from the other components of the time series. The main objectives of measuring seasonal variations are to understand their patterns, to use them for short-term forecasting or planning, to compare the patterns of seasonal variations of two or more time series in a given period or of the same series in different periods, and to eliminate the seasonal variations from the data, and this process is known as deseasonalization of the data. Actually, measurement of seasonal variations or fluctuations, there are four methods commonly used for the measurement of seasonal variations. These methods are as follows. First, method of simple averages. Second, ratio to trend method. Third, ratio to moving averages. And last one, the method of link relatives. The first one, method of simple averages. This method is simplest and easiest method for studying seasonal variation of fluctuations, and this method is based on the additive model of the time series. That is, the observed value of the series is expressed by yt is equals to t plus s plus c plus I, that is trend, secular, seasonal variation plus cyclical variation and irregular variation. These are the four important components, and this method we assume that the trend components and the cyclical component are absent in this method. The important procedure or steps of this method are as follows. First step or procedure, to arrange the data by months, quarters or years according to the given data. To find the sum of each month's, quarters or years. Third step, find the averages of each month or quarters or years. And fourth step, find the averages of averages, and it is called grand average. Averages of averages is called as grand average, that is G. In next step, to compute seasonal index for every season, that is data is given either monthly, quarterly or yearly, is given. To calculate the seasonal indices for given formula, that is SI, seasonal indices, seasonal average divided by grand average multiplied by 100. If the data is given in months, that is 12 months in the year. For calculating the given formula, that is the indices of January is equals to monthly averages of first month, that is January, divided by grand averages multiplied by again second month. Seasonal indices for February is equals to monthly average of February divided by grand average multiplied by again 100. Similarly, we can calculate seasonal indices for the other month, that is March, April up to December. This is for months. Data is given in months. If data is given in quarterly means 4. First quarter, second quarter, third quarter. The data is given in quarterly. How to calculate quarterly data? For how to calculate seasonal indices for first quarter is equals to average of first quarter divided by grand average multiplied by 100. Same procedure in previous step, that is if data is given in monthly, here quarterly. Second quarter, again average of second quarter divided by grand average multiplied by 100 up to fourth quarter. These are the simple 6 to 7 steps. In your examination, question may be asked, write a short note on moving average method. You can just write these 6 to 7 steps. These 6 or 7 steps keep in your mind and we solve the example. The given example to calculate the seasonal indices for the monthly. This example for monthly sales means 12 months. For monthly sales of a product using the method of simple average. The given data is the months and year for 2001, 2 and 3. This is the 3-year data and years monthly data for January to December. So these are the monthly sales up to January to December. For similarly for corresponding the years 2001, 2002 and 2003. These are the monthly sales. So how to calculate? As per the procedure, to compute the seasonal indices of method by simple average. So in this solution, monthly total, the monthly total of January of 3 year 15, 20 and 18. The sum of these 3 year of month January, the monthly total is 53. Again February, the monthly total of 3 years, again 78. Similarly, for calculate the other months, that is up to December, these all the months, sum of the all months, and we calculate monthly average. The 53 divided by these 3 months, these 3 years is equals to 17.67. Similarly, for the second February, again 78 divided by 3, again 26, and so on up to the December last 37.67. And again, as per the step for first seasonal indices of monthly average of January divided by grand multiplied by 100. Grand average of these these all averages, monthly averages is equals to grand average. This is for 355.58 and divided by grand average about 12 month. That's why here taken 12. This 355 divided 0.58.2 58.2 divided by 12 means 29.63. Same for the January 1st, the 17.67 divided by again grand average, grand of the average of average, divided by 29.361 multiplied by 100. This become 59.62. Similarly for the second month, that is seasonal indices for the February is equals to again 26 is a 26 divided by again grand average 29.361 multiplied by 100 is equals to 88.77. Similarly, other seasonal indices can obtain. I have calculated in the given table all the monthly for March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October and November and December. The sum of seasonal indices, these all sum of seasonal indices of 12 months is equals to 1200. If you observe in seasonal indices less than 100, seasonal indices less than 100 indices, the poor seasonal performance, and more than 100 means higher seasonal performance. Similarly for the second example, calculate the seasonal indices for the quarterly. This is the data for quarterly, and same procedure is the quarterly averages. Sum of all 4 quarters at average of quarters. As per the procedure, the given formula for first quarter, that is grand average 1304.33 divided by 4. This become 326.833. Similarly for the first quarter is 77.77, second quarter 95.68, third quarter 110.91, and last quarter, that is 118.68. The sum of all quarters, that is 77 up to 118.63, becomes the 400. Okay. So remaining 3 methods of measurement of seasonal variations or fluctuation, that is ratio to trend method, ratio to moving average method, and method of link relative method, we will discuss in next class. If any difficulties for this class, you ask any time. Okay, thank you.